I kind of missed out talking about this. Voltage and electrical potential difference are one and the same. They're different names, that's it. I think I missed out this clearly and I should have mentioned it. My bad. So please keep this in mind. So here the first agenda is to help you guys to remember this formula. So for that, let us represent it with your variables. V is equal to W by Q. So on rearranging, I'll get V into Q is equal to W. So further, I'll just switch the sides and we have this formula. So we can just remember this phrase, world votes for queen. And we can remember this. How? Simple. W is equal to V into Q. That's it. Okay. So this is the way to remember this formula, and thus end of it, V is equal to W by Q. The next thing in agenda is to understand or remember or to know unit of an voltage. So you can measure voltage with help of volt. If not, capital letter V. This too is named after a person. And so we have this to be capital letter, not small letter. And whenever we are expanding, all of this has to be in small letters. Okay, remember this. So if you guys want to not forget this, just think about how you write unit of force. Capital letter N, right? Same way over here as well. The next thing is defining 1 volt. So any point of time in physics, if you want to define any unit related things, go back to the formula. So we know that V is equal to W by Q. Now we have to talk about 1 volt. So what is the best way of getting 1 post dividing? 1 divided by 1, right? 1 divided by 1 is 1. So 1 joule by 1 coulomb will give you 1 volt. So now, how do you define it? Point A to B, we said to have a potential difference of 1 volt if we carry a 1 coulomb of charge and spend 1 joule of work. As simple as that. So the potential difference between these 2 points is said to be 1 volt if we carry 1 coulomb of charge from point A to B by spending 1 joule of work on it. Okay. So here is the write-up that will help you guys with your exam. So voltage, if not potential difference between point A and B, is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving a 1 coulomb of charge from A to B. So please pause and copy all of it. Don't miss anything.